Hey guys, and welcome to the Dork Squad YouTube channel. My name is Scott, and today we're going to look at how to stream from your PC using Streamlabs OBS. And for more videos on setting up or improving your live stream, you can hit the subscribe button down below, or you can check out my Twitch channel, which is twitch.tv/ScottToDork. Today we're going to do a beginner's guide on how to set up and stream from your PC to Twitch using Streamlabs OBS. Now, before we get started, we need to check a few things. The first is your internet connection. You can test your internet speed at speedtest.net, and I'll throw the link in the description below. Now, what we need to focus on is your internet's upload speed. Your upload speed will determine what resolution you can stream at. Now, Twitch has a rough guide of the required bitrate for your streaming resolution, and I'll put that link in the description below. Now, your stream shouldn't occupy more than 75% of your total upload bandwidth. That means if your internet connection has an upload speed of 4 megabytes per second, you should be looking at streaming at 3 megabytes per second. And I can't stress this enough, stability in your internet connection is key. The next thing you're going to need is to make sure you have a Twitch account. If you don't have an account yet, head over to twitch.tv and sign yourself up. Streamlabs is a developer who creates tools for streamers and content creators. And today we're going to look at their broadcast application, Streamlabs OBS. Now remember, Streamlabs OBS is free, which means you can start streaming on Twitch today. The difference between Streamlabs OBS and OBS Studio is that Streamlabs have taken the open broadcast software, put a fresh coat of paint on it, and integrated a lot of the Streamlabs functionality directly into the application. However, both applications achieve the same result, and they're both free. To download a copy of Streamlabs OBS, head to streamlabs.com and log in with your Twitch account. On the left-hand side of the window, you should find a prompt to download Streamlabs OBS. Once Streamlabs OBS is installed and you open the application for the first time, you'll need to authorize your Twitch account. And once you've done that, you'll be faced with the opportunity to import from OBS or start fresh. Now this will apply if you're switching from OBS Studio over to Streamlabs OBS. If you already have profiles, settings, and scenes created, Streamlabs OBS will import those scenes for you. However, if you want to start from a clean slate or this is your first time, we can start fresh. Then hit start. Now because this is our first time, Streamlabs OBS will automatically run the configuration wizard. This will help determine the server, output bitrate, and resolution for your stream based on your current internet connection. The configuration wizard is a really quick and easy way to apply these settings. Keep in mind the environment may change when you're running a game or playing online, so be prepared to adjust these settings to find that sweet spot. If you ever want to rerun the configuration wizard, just go to your settings menu and then click Run Auto Optimizer. To view the settings the configuration wizard has determined, simply open your settings menu. Make sure you have the correct streaming service. In this case, we're broadcasting to Twitch. Your stream key should have auto-populated once you authorized your Twitch account. To find or to reset your stream key, open your web browser and head to your Twitch Creator dashboard. Go to Channel under Settings. Here you can copy or reset your stream key. Your stream key is sensitive information, so be sure not to share it or show it to anyone. Your output bitrate determines the optimal flow of upload data based on your internet speed. If this is not set correctly, you might experience dropped frames while you're streaming.
Oh shit.
Oh!
That was me with one single shot and a handgun.
Should we go down?
Your output resolution and frame rate is determined by the Twitch guide and the speed test we performed earlier. Now before we go too far, let's start with a quick tour of Streamlabs OBS. The dashboard tab is your Streamlabs dashboard, not your Twitch dashboard. We'll go into more Streamlabs functionality in a later video, which will explain the benefits of this tab. The Streamlabs CloudBot, which will help you and your moderators manage your stream while you're live. The App Store, where you can download add-ons and extensions for your live stream. The Editor tab is your production studio, where you can set up and edit your stream however you like. The large display in the center of your screen is your preview window. We'll start to see this come to life as we create our scenes. The bottom left is your scene collection and scene list. A scene is a collection of sources which will make up what people see when you stream. In the middle is your source list. Sources are things like gameplay window, webcam, and overlays. Finally, the bottom right is your audio mixer. This shows the volume output of your stream, allowing you to gauge whether things are too loud or too quiet. Let's start by adding a scene. Now you can have different scenes for the different games you play. Today we're going to look at the basics so you can add as many scenes as you like. Start by simply clicking the Add button. Now this is going to be our game scene. Now what we need to do now is start filling it with sources. Now that we've created our scene, let's add some sources. First, let's add our gameplay window. Now there are two ways we can do this. The first is by a window capture. Streamlabs OBS will display a specific window that is open. Unfortunately, you'll need to change the window in the settings of this source if you decide to stream a different game. This isn't a great inconvenience, but it's worth noting. The other way we can do this is by display capture. Streamlabs OBS will display everything on a particular monitor. This means Streamlabs OBS will always be able to find your game, but you will broadcast your desktop if you choose to minimize your game. They both work, and whichever way you choose is entirely up to you. Let's add your webcam, and we're going to do this by adding a video capture device. You may have to select your webcam from the device drop-down menu. We're also going to add an overlay. Add a new source and select image. You can scale this until it fits correctly. The order of your sources are a bit like the layers on a cake. Those at the top will sit in front of those on the bottom. We can also add a starting soon scene and a be right back scene. Streamlabs OBS will automatically find any audio sources and add them to your channel mixer. The most important are your mic or auxiliary channel. This is your microphone or your headset. This has its own channel so you can adjust the volume over the sound of anything else that's happening on your stream. The other is your desktop audio. This is all other background audio, including music and your gameplay. Your microphone should be hitting the yellow section of your audio meter. Your desktop audio should be hitting the green section just below the yellow. First, head to your Windows sound settings and disable any unwanted audio sources. Hit the settings cog next to your desktop audio and then go to Properties. Make sure the correct source for your PC audio is selected in the device drop-down menu. Next, check your microphone properties and ensure the correct device is selected. We can open our advanced audio settings to get a snapshot of all audio sources. If we look at the audio meter for our microphone, we'll notice that only one of the channels is lighting up. To fix this, select the downmix to mono option. You should now see the microphone registering in both channels. Now that we understand the basics of what makes up a scene, we can explore the Themes tab. Streamlabs OBS has a great selection of free themes that you can use for your Twitch stream, and you can install as many of these as you like. Browse the themes and select the one you like, or one that matches the game you're going to play, and then install. You'll now see the scene collection available in your Editor tab. When you're ready to go live, simply hit the Go Live button in the bottom right-hand corner. This will automatically open your Live tab. This is your Director's Studio, which gives you real-time information about your stream while you're broadcasting. The large display in the center of your screen is your events list. This will update and show you activity on your channel, such as new followers, new subscribers, hosts, raids, donations, and much more. The bottom left is your scene list. You should see the scenes we've just created. In the middle is your audio mixer. This will allow you to monitor your volume while you stream. In the bottom right is your preview window. This shows you what is being broadcast to Twitch and what your viewers can see. And finally, on the right-hand side is your Twitch chat window. And that's it, we're live. You are now a Twitch streamer. Oh. There we go. How's that? A few other things I'd like to point out are the streaming stats in the bottom left-hand corner of your OBS window. These stats identify how much of your CPU is being used by Streamlabs OBS, your current frame rate, the number of dropped frames, and your current output bit rate. To end your stream, hit the End Stream button. And that's all the time we have. Thanks for tuning in. For more videos on improving your live stream, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Check out all my social media links. Until next time, guys. Bye.